Before we go, I always do this one small thing, just so the whole trip feels lighter. Okay, this is the Mini 7 Pro. It's small, so it doesn't take over your car, but it still takes care of what matters. Ultra clear recording in a mini, discreet design with a stealth display. Voice control and Wi-Fi 6 make everything effortless, and Night Eagle night vision keeps it clear and reassuring after dark. Mini 7 Pro, accompanying and protecting the journeys of multiple families. Crafted with a translucent ink panel, the display remains invisible when off, perfectly blending into the device. This display shows only the essentials: recording, Wi-Fi, audio, active status, and alerts, clearly and quietly. It turns off automatically after 60 seconds, keeping your view clean and your focus on the road. It's like a reliable friend for every family on the road, accompanying you through every mile. Thank you for watching. We're always here.